It's your boy Bunyan. I'm back here in another video, and today I'm gonna be pranking my friends at school by doing the fake blood challenge. So, I mean, not challenge but prank. So I'm gonna prank them. So I'm gonna act like I'm coughing out blood, and yeah. And I know I've not been posting for like 2 months. Hey guys, I needed to take a break and just to decide what other pranks, what other videos are coming out. So stay tuned for more and fun videos. So yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, and yeah, do the most, dude. Do the most. So without no further ado, let's get into it.
Open the ambulance phone. You got it.
You record it.
Are you going home now, bro?
Go record them.
Take it to the mix, bro. Go home. You tell your dad hi. That's just. Look at his mouth.
Get the content inside.
Is this blood or what?
That's blood.
It is blood, right? There it is.
You got it.
Ending dyan.
Oh,
Ang lakaan.
hey, may wine him shiny one. But what if I'm a faint again?
Mag-JV. That's it. Makan mag-JV.
Wat kanan mas again?
Bas po yung malan.
I'll show you now. So guys, yeah, I managed to tell them it was all a prank, but then my phone died, so I had to wait until I get home. But then yeah, I got almost English is running away. I got everyone at college. So yeah, so if you like the video, please like and subscribe, turn on the notification button if you're new, and yeah, share with your friends, share this video if you want, and please show me the love and support. Thank you for watching.